Hi everyone, I'm Lauren, I have ADHD, and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. Today I'm finishing up Verna's cabinet. If you don't know who Verna is, check out part 1 here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe. Check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, so are good microphones and cameras, so your donations are greatly appreciated. This is going to be the last video for the cabinet. I got to the point where I could either finish it up or worry about recording, so unfortunately I don't have footage of putting it back together. Sometimes we do have to remove the unnecessary hurdles to get the job done, but I do have shots of the finished cabinet and I'll have those at the end of the video, so don't you worry. Also, I apologize for the wiggle vision. I'm not sure what my camera was doing or if it was just extra windy, but it is what it is. While I get the paint off of these last 2 legs, let's talk more about ADHD, I guess. This week I want to talk about time blindness. Time blindness is exactly what it sounds like. You need to leave in 10 minutes, you sit down and start scrolling through social media or something, you're now half an hour late. Alternatively, you need to leave in 2 hours, that's not long enough to get anything done, so you're just gonna sit on the couch and wait. I don't know how long something is going to take me until I actually do it, and if I need to keep track of time, I need a clock. Without that, I can't tell you if it's been 5 minutes or an hour. And this is why people with ADHD tend to be either always late or always early. I'm on the always early category, usually. This is a difficult thing to deal with as a LARPer, because in a lot of games there are mechanics that you can use once every minute in battle, or every 30 seconds. I'm gonna use it once and I'm never gonna use it again because I don't want to cheat and I have no idea how long it's been since I used it. Or if I'm unconscious and going to bleed out in 10 minutes, I'm gonna be counting to 106 times, or I'm gonna use a pocket watch. What have I actually managed to accomplish in this time? Well, I've got this one leg almost entirely free of paint. I'm being really fussy about those nooks and crannies and trying to get a good detail clean on it, which is probably not necessary because these are never going to look like brand new shiny legs. I'm just doing my best. As you can see, we skipped forward in time a little bit because my camera got too hot and turned itself off, but now we are almost done getting the paint off this 4th leg, and after that it's going to be oiling. I suppose this could be considered a prime example of hyperfocus, because I am just sitting here. I think it's been a couple of hours at this point, and sanding, and my hands are, you can see the veins there, they are very tired, but I need to finish this. My brain is saying that I have to finish this right now, sitting here, and ignore everything else that my body is telling me. So that's what I'm doing. Skipping ahead again because technology, I've got all the paint off. Now I'm just giving everything a wipe down with some mineral spirits, probably do a touch-up sanding, and then it's time for oil. And as I finish up applying oil to these legs, I'd like to thank you again for joining me on this adventure. It has been an experience in a lot of flashbacks to, again, childhood, restoring furniture with my mom, using my tiny little fingers to get all those cracks and crevices. I'm happy with how it turned out. It's not perfect, but it's Verna's cabinet and I love her. Next week, I'm going to start in on the machine itself, so that'll be something, an entirely different set of skills, but strangely similar. So I will see you then, and we'll look forward to a new adventure. Love you.